know what you've just destroyed?
He thought he had broken an old trophy, but he had just reopened the wound his father never healed. Did you finish your running practice?
I'm not running your race!
He spent his whole life chasing one finish line, until he realized his son was never meant to run that race.
Dad, do you clean it every Sunday?
It needs care,
Even after all these years?
especially after all these years. This trophy reminds me what focus looks like.
Just focus?
Focus, discipline, finish lines. Your school race is next month.
You remembered that?
Of course I remembered. It matters.
It's just a fitness event.
It is not just a fitness event.
It is to me.
That's because you're not looking at what it could become. Coach Daniels may choose students. You may want it once you understand it.
What if I understand what I want?
We'll talk about that after you take running seriously. You don't know what you want yet.
I do.
You mean drawing?
Yes, I mean drawing.
Drawing is fine, Alex, as long as it stays where it belongs.
Where does it belong?
After school, after training, after real responsibilities.
It is a real responsibility. Miss Harper chose my piece for the art display.
You have speed, you have my legs.
What if I don't want to be good at it?
That is what people say before they learn discipline.
What are you drawing there, Alex?
Oh, it's just a character I thought of.
Is that your piece for Miss Harper's display?
Yeah.
Can I see? Alex? This is beautiful.
You stayed up late for this? That explains why you were slow yesterday.
Brian,
If he is serious about the race, sleep matters.
Dad, I'm serious about this.
Art can be a hobby. Running can build your future.
My future?
I'm trying to help you see what you're capable of.
No, you're trying to make me capable of what you wanted.
I'm going to school.
you haven't finished breakfast.
I'm not hungry. He always sees that, but he doesn't see this.
Alex?
I'm going. Maybe one day he'll look. Really look.
If you want to compete, you have to train like it matters.
Dad, we already did 6 rounds.
Then one more round won't break you. You slow down every time it starts getting hard.
I'm tired.
Tired is exactly when training starts to matter. You have talent, Alex. I'm trying to make sure you don't waste it.
It doesn't feel like helping.
It feels hard because you're resisting it. One more lap, then we talk.
Dad, I don't even like this.
You don't have to like it. You have to commit.
I'm not training for the Olympics.
No, you're training so you don't become someone who quits.
Better at what? Being you?
What did you say?
You keep acting like this is my dream. I think you want me to finish the dream you didn't get to keep. And I think you're disappointed that I'm not you. You only care when I'm running or practicing. When I draw, you barely look. It's like you only see me when I look like your old pictures.
We're done. Car, now. You shouldn't have said that.
Which part?
You know which part. You think I'm doing this for me?
I don't know.
I know what it's like to have a chance and lose it. I don't want that for you.
But what if it's not my chance? You asked me to run, but it feels like you're asking me to become someone.
I'm asking you to try.
No, you're asking me to want what you wanted. Come on, just draw. Just make sense.
He gives up too quickly.
Maybe he's not giving up, Brian. Maybe he's trying to tell you something.
I'm trying to help him.
Then listen to what he actually needs.
A trophy? Why am I drawing that?
He's not refusing to work hard. He's telling you this isn't his dream.
I'm trying to keep him from wasting his chance.
Or from wasting yours.
He has potential.
Potential for what, Brian? His life or your dream?
It's not just about me. It never was. I just need some tape and glue. Should be somewhere here. Not here. Okay. The The box is up there. Near the trophy. Just grab the box and get down. No mistakes. Almost. Got it. No, no, no! Dad, I'm sorry. I was trying to get the supply box. I didn't mean to touch it. It was an accident. I was reaching for the box on the top shelf.
Don't move.
I can glue it. I can fix it. I really can.
No. You never slow down. You never think before you reach for something.
I was trying to finish my art project.
And that makes this okay? Go to your room. Now.
Can I sit?
If you want.
I'm not here to lecture you.
I didn't mean to break it.
I know.
I didn't mean to break it. He thinks I ruin everything.
No, he doesn't.
He said I never think.
Your father was scared.
Scared? He was angry.
Sometimes with your father, anger is the only way fear knows how to come out. That trophy was the last race your father ever won.
He said that.
But he didn't tell you the part that still hurts. Before that final race, his knee was already injured. He had been limping for weeks.
What?
Even the doctor warned him that one more race could make it worse. But he ran anyway.
And he won?
Yes. Then he collapsed behind the stage. After that, he never raced the same way again. He learned the wrong lesson from his pain. He thinks if he had been stronger, things would have turned out differently.
He made me feel like stopping means I'm weak.
I know.
Today my hand hurt and he said I lost focus.
Then he needs to hear that.
I need you to understand something. I didn't lose that race because I was weak. I lost because I stopped after I got injured. I didn't win because I was perfect. I won because I didn't stop.
So I made a rule for myself.
A rule?
If I ever had a child, he will not stop like I did,
Even if it hurts?
especially when it hurts.
That's not normal. It still hurts.
It is necessary. Pain is part of becoming stronger. If you stop every time something hurts, you never become anything.
This isn't what I want.
You don't know what you need yet. One day you'll understand why I pushed you, and one day you'll thank me. Shoes. Tomorrow morning. We train again.
My legs are burning.
Good. That means you're pushing.
I need a minute.
Run.
My legs already feel heavy.
You haven't started yet.
That's the problem.
You're learning what it takes to become stronger.
Or maybe I'm learning when something is wrong.
You don't understand yet.
I'm not saying I want to quit. I'm saying I'm tired.
And tired is where people decide to stop.
Maybe sometimes people stop because they need to. My body is telling me something. Why does listening to it mean I'm weak?
Tomorrow morning, we train again. You're still awake.
I'm almost done.
This is distracting you.
It's not a distraction. It's the only thing I understand.
It will still be here later. Strength won't,
Why do you decide what matters for me?
because I know what it costs when you choose wrong.
Maybe I want to choose wrong then.
You'll regret it.
Or maybe I'll finally be me.
Alex! Training time!
Alex?
I wanted him to be proud of me. I don't want to disappoint him. But I don't want to live only to make him proud. I want my own road. I'm not running today. I'm gonna tell him.
Let's go. Alex,
I'm not going.
this again?
No. This is not about skipping practice.
You don't understand what happens when you stop.
Then I'll understand it myself. I wanted you to be proud of me. I kept thinking if I ran harder, listened better, pushed more, maybe you would finally see me. I don't want your old race to become my whole life. I want to walk my own road, even if it's slower.
You are not ready to decide that.
I'll never be ready if I keep living your decision. I still want you to be proud of me, but I need to be proud of myself too.
Okay. This is my road.
Maybe Dad won't understand. But that doesn't mean it's wrong. I don't know where this goes. But I chose it.
Brian! Slow down! That knee isn't right! Brian, stop! You'll make it worse! Winning won't matter if you can't walk after this!
I said I can finish!
Brian Miller crosses first!
Brian! No, not now.
3 days. And I still don't know what to fix. I kept calling you proof. But proof of what? I didn't stop. And I never learned how after that. I taught him the part that hurt me most. He didn't stop following me. He started walking away.
Are you going?
I don't know what I would say.
Maybe you don't have to start by saying anything. Maybe you just have to show up.
I pushed him too hard.
Yes. And I think you already know that. You were using the same pain to shape him.
He walked away from me.
No, Brian. He didn't walk away from you. He walked toward himself. You know what it feels like when people only see the trophy and not the pain behind it? Don't make that mistake with Alex. This work shows a lot of emotional maturity. That's impressive. Alex did not simply draw what happened. He turned a personal conflict into a visual story. You can see the pressure in the endless road. The broken trophy carries the weight of someone else's dream. Talent is part of this, yes. But what impresses me most is his effort. He stayed with a difficult feeling until it became something clear.
This is your decision?
Yes.
I spent my whole life chasing something that ended before I was ready to let it go. And I tried to hand you the same race. I kept looking for effort only in the places I understood. But this took strength too. Don't run my race.
I never did.
A parent's unfinished dream should not decide a child's direction.